Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Damdam. In today's video I'll be telling you guys how my trip to Ijesha Waterfall went. So before I go into that, please, I would like you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the red subscribe button. Then if you want to get a lot of my videos, click on the bell button beside the red subscribe button. Thank you very much.
How are you?
So we had an orientation in my faculty for like a week. On Monday there was a symposium for 100 left students. Then Tuesday we did debate among ourselves, among different chancelleries. So then on Wednesday there was moot and mock game time, blah blah blah. Thursday till Friday when we had to go for the trip. So we set out like, I can't really remember the time, but the journey was so smooth. Everything went well. When we got there, we entered. The place was so stressful. Like, God is really powerful because the place was high. When we started the journey to the waterfall, everybody started getting tired. I'll be showing you the video later. Everybody started getting tired, and everybody were out of breath. But it's just that you have to just keep climbing, keep climbing. You don't have any choice. When you see your mates climbing, you have to like rest a bit then climb. A lot of people were afraid of heights, blah blah. I was part because if that I look back that moment, I would have fallen down or something. But when I was going upward, I didn't look back. Then when I was coming back down, God helped. I was not really scared like that. They said the place had like 7 faces, but maybe I got to the third one or fourth like that. I don't know. I was not really sure. Some people said they got to the seventh, but someone said it's not even possible to get to seventh that like very fast like that. Because if I don't know how possible it was, because when I was even in when I even got to maybe the third phase, I was already complaining because there was no longer like, I think, staircase there again. So we got to a place where you just have to like use your hands and your legs or any tree, any stem you see there to like get up. So I was not wondering that how they get to seven when even 4 3 is already like was already getting hard like. So but they said they got to seven. I don't know how they got to seven, but all the way, all the best for them. So we really enjoyed ourselves after bathing, after after playing with water, after the lot of things. We came back to the pavilion to have fun. A lot of people danced and so on. Like, I really enjoyed myself, and I'm so grateful to the LSS Society for giving us this opportunity, like, to go to such a place. And I thank God that we came back safely. There was no accident. The LSS Society, they really tried. They tried their best, like throughout the week. They really tried throughout the week. They really tried because even the money we paid was not. When I later calculated it, I was like, wow, wow, they tried for us. Because if it's that I was to go like myself personally, I would spend more than that. So I hope you will enjoy the video after this. Like, get to see what God has done. Like, nature is really nice. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button and tell your friends, your family to also click on the red subscribe button and on the bell button to get alerts of my videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.
Heavenly Father, don't worry, we are coming. Please, oh, see me, I'm coming. God. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? That's how you
I'm entering the water.
Are you beginning? Take me out. Take me. So that's your viewers' friends.
Yo, mine. Oh, mine.
So let me give her a surprise.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
When you thought something there was first for you. Come on, let's do it. You say ready pictures too. Let's just play the water master.
This is not picture. Like I want to video this water pool.
Come on, smart me for.
I'm coming.
This is my choice. I think I tell you you can
Oh, yeah, let's. Oh my God.
Yeah.
And the sands they are shiny.
We have to put your legs together and snap it. The leg of an African.
Now we'll soon be going back. So everyone are coming back down. I didn't get to the other side of the waterfall because
You want it on your feet.
I was
Do you remember that time when we made your bed up? So that she wanted to change it to bomb shot.
okay.
Good luck. The last climber. Then when that one
I was saying something before. I didn't go there because the place was scary. I don't know how people were getting down. But I think this one, the place I got to was nice, was okay. But I saw the other waterfall, but I didn't get there.
every day.
Yes. That show these people is dumb.
Hello, where are you? This is my hour. Where are you? We are only coming down to the pavilion. Who is that? Start coming now. Everybody, the last time I was there was the same. This is the 7th floor.
People have mind though. 7th floor.
You do according to your capability, no. Did you see last time? I can't try it.
I can't try 4th floor.
Between 4 and 6, 5, 7. Who is this?